I'm going to show you several different formats you can apply to numbers. The general column is the default. I'll move to cell B3 and I'll select these cells. I'll hold down the Shift key, the Control key, and tap the down arrow key. And then I'll go up to the drop down where it says General and I'll choose Number. By default, this has 2 places after the decimal. I'll select the Currency column, click the drop down, I'll choose Currency. Notice the $ is directly in front of the number. I'll select the Accounting column, go back to the drop down, I'll choose Accounting, and notice the $ is flush to the left. And in this final example, I'll show you a custom format. I'll select these cells, I'll click the Launch button in the lower right corner of the number group, and then I'll click on Custom, and then I'll choose this option which will display any negative numbers in red. And when I click OK, here are several different ways you can customize number formats.